Okay, I'm now recording. It's Saturday the 8th of August, and we're now unboxing this new. It's a construction toy work vehicle, which I have recently got from B&M's today, called $12.99. And this one, it does 3 different sound effects, which I will show you on the video in a minute when we have taken it out. So, in a minute, we're just still in the process of unboxing this toy truck. So I'll come back to it when it's all unboxed. So yeah, that's just a short video of what we're actually doing at the moment. So I'll come back to it when it's all unboxed and ready to go. So yeah, see you soon, guys. Bye.